ya Decentralized Funds Accounts Committee DFAC kurwase serikali anene gose kurwase bunge anene nigori tukulia rero yatarira bunge ya Bonchari asokolingoria obutumeki bw'ekibesa kya CDF ase ensemeyo munyakerogo bwe kamati eyo Honorable Gideon Muriungi nigatabiro na kuika balia bonse barakagerwa gutumeka kibesa bobe ase chinsemeyo gose kiganja kya CDF bobe koimukeligwa egetambokero egatindi unagotumanya mulikito dipone asanya
Hasetaro ye kamati kurwase serikali anene manyikanite muna Decentralized Funds Accounts Committee uchaseti county ao nigo litukulia lero barawa no munyakirego Gideon Muriungi sogotarira ebunge ya Bonchari meye county ya Kisii asokoro totobo tumeki wechibesa chiekeganja gia CDF.
We have come to listen to the committee that was overseeing this project, which we normally call Project Management Committee or PMC, together with the fund managers who are in charge of this project, and also the board, members of the board of CDF in Nairobi, representing the CEO.
Kuwatikana no kumurungania kwa bamenyi bensemeyo igoro yobotumeki obobe bw'ekibesa ekyo.
And they have given evidence. We are going to unravel the evidence and come up with our recommendations on the way forward. But it is clear that some money totaling 3.6 million is not clearly known where it went.
Ukone kerekyo ekamati eyo ekurwase serikali anene.
We do not want any PMC in Kenya to soil the name of CDF. CDF, which we examine and gov, these are funds which come from the national government and then go to the villages, which have impacted the lives of many people in the villages.
Komenta na yueni go bakwanira igoro yoko na weji basari kuchasa borokigwa na boigo kuchasa chiskuru.
CDF issues bursary checks to the student carries the bursary check, goes to pay in the school issues as a receipt, the student goes home with the receipt. The student does not return the receipt to CDF.
Omubunge o West Mugrango Steve Bogaka oyiboigorenge asege karekyo nigabo lya chikamati chionsi gotika gotamera ababunge asobotumeki bw'ekibesa.
Don't contribute any alleged loss of CDF money to any member of parliament. It is a management of by a board who have employees called fund managers, and the MP has nothing to do with it.
Nanyinabo nigo bamubolia Auditor General Nancy Gathungu.
I've also summoned the Auditor General to our committee to come and shed more light on where she thinks that 4.1 billion went, because she may have an idea. We are going to crack our whip. Our teeth are going to bite. We are not going to allow any PMC to mess up CDF.
Kuripoteria gatasinikia ukia Getembe kurugasi chabisi cha CDF imeye bunge ya Bonchari chigotoka somo chiosuneka elitana na inkoro kwa Dipon Hasanya.